everyone, welcome to my channel Free Furniture Mama. If you are new, my name is Maggie. Me and my daughter moved from the state of Maryland to the state of Florida 2 months ago, and I'm living in my sister's house for a while until I found a place for we live. My sister have lots of projects she need to be done. Today I'm going to work in her lanai and has this TV cabinet. She wants this be done for when she come from the work, relaxing and watch TV. Let's go to see what we have here. She wants like a light color, like a peaceful color, and the art designers are on the front doors. Let's go to see what we have here. Let's go to start. Time work today is a huge TV stand cabinet. It is in a real bad shape. Has a lot of work to do. Have a control, the TV can go up and down. I'm going to do art paint on these front drawers. I'm do the prepper work out of the camera, washed with good dressing cleaning and sand with 220. With some paper. I'm coming back with primer. On the top, because for my first time I'm going to use a pops on the top. This is two ways, A and B mixed together and comes out like a glass. It's my first time. Let's go to see how this turns out. I'm going to measure the part 1. I'm going to do like a cup and a half. This looks like after I apply the resin. This is all for today. I come next week with art on the front doors. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next week. Bye guys.